Here I'm going to show you how to set up the flex windbreak. You'll have two bags, one with all your framework, one with your canvas. And also with all our windscreens you'll have the spike and stabilo plate system. First thing you need to decide where you want to start your windscreen, and that's where you'll put your first spike and plate. I'm going to start mine off here. So you want to get the spike halfway into the ground with the plate over the top. And the idea of the stabilo plate, so that is quite solid anyway, but if you're on slightly softer ground, you can peg this plate out. And that's just supporting the spike even more, stop that spike from moving. Once you've got the first one in, you get one of your horizontal poles, and this is what we're going to be using to determine where the rest of the spikes need to go. You lay that out there. Same again with the spike, halfway into the ground. And onto your final spike. The beauty of having this spike system at the base means you're able to shape your windscreen any way that you want to. You can peg every plate if you want to. And once your spikes are in position, it's now time to set up the windscreen itself. The flex is in two halves on your poles, with the spikes at the top, flat edge at the bottom. You have four legs. And on your first one, on the end, there's a sleeve for the leg. Slide the leg pole through into position. The extra legs in the middle, they do not go through a sleeve, so they can be placed onto the spike ready. And now it's simply adding the top horizontal poles. They go through a sleeve. The little fitting at the end just slides over the spike, flat edge down. It's a nice tight fit. Same with the next horizontal pole. And if you notice, we have one down and one on top. It's nice and flat together. Get to the end, your final leg, and as like the first one, you have a sleeve for the leg to go through. The easiest way we find is pop that horizontal pole while that leg's at a slight angle, and then you can bring the leg round over the spike. There you have the flex windbreak.